Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from class 9 Polynomials chapter. Which one of the following is a polynomial? Children, before we understand this question, let us know what is a polynomial. Let us know about polynomials. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable is a whole number. It's very simple, children. Already we have studied what is in our previous class about an algebraic expression, right? An expression which contains variables, constants, and fundamental operations like plus, minus, multiplication. Okay, that forms an algebraic expression. And wherever you see a variable, its exponent should be a whole number. Say for example 2x square plus 3. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression and the exponent of this variable is 2. Hence it is a polynomial. Okay, poly means many and nomial means terms. That means a polynomial can have many terms. Okay, degree of a polynomial, the highest power of the variable. That means let us write a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus 1. This is a polynomial. The variable here is x and its highest power is 3. So this is called the 3 is the degree of this polynomial. 3 is the degree of this polynomial. So whatever exponent is there for the variable, see the highest, that is called the degree of a polynomial. Okay. Now terms of a polynomial. Each part of a polynomial in an expression is a term. Okay. So whenever you have terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Say for example x plus 2. This x is called one term and this is called the other term. So this is a variable term and this is a constant. Children, whenever we write like this 2x square, it is only one term because it is not separated by any plus or minus. There is no continuation, right? It should be separated by plus or minus signs. So this 2 is called the coefficient of x square. This is the coefficient of x square. Okay, here the coefficient is 1. If we write x by 2, yes, this is also a polynomial. Here the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is the coefficient. Okay, types of polynomials according to terms and according to degree. Monomial, it is one term. Say for example 2x, this is a monomial, it has only one term. Binomial, 2x plus 3, it has two terms, so it is a binomial. Children, if I say 2x plus 2x, it is not a binomial because these are like terms, and when you add this 2 you will be getting 4x, hence it is a monomial. For binomial, the other examples can be x plus y also. This is a polynomial with two variables. Okay, x is one term, y is another term, so it is a binomial. Now trinomial. Trinomial means an expression, an algebraic expression with three terms. Okay, 2x plus 3y plus 1. These are three terms, right? So if I want, this is a trinomial. If we want to write in one variable, we can write it as 2x cube plus x square plus x. Okay, now let us understand about the types of polynomial according to its degree. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. That means an example is x plus 1. Okay, here the degree of the variable is 1, the highest power, right? This is a constant term, so it is a linear polynomial. Children, even x plus y is a linear polynomial because the degree of this is 1. Okay, children, x y is not a linear polynomial because it is one term and x and y are multiplied here, so the degree of this will be 2. Just see what is the exponent here. For x it is 1, here for y it is 1, so total it is 2. So it is not a linear polynomial. Okay, whereas this is a linear polynomial because x and y are separated, there are terms, they are separated by plus sign, so the highest exponent is 1, hence it is a linear polynomial. Now let us see quadratic polynomial. The degree of this polynomial will be 2. So x square plus 2x plus 3. The variable here is x and the highest exponent is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Now let us see cubic. Okay, x cube plus 3. So this is a cubic polynomial because the degree of the variable is 3. Now let us see the standard form of linear polynomial in one variable. Okay, polynomial with variable x is a standard form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b. That means the degree of this variable is 1 and the condition is a should not be equal to 0. Okay, a should not be equal to 0 because if a becomes 0, children, this part will go and we are just left with the constant. Children, here a and b can be any real numbers. Okay, any real numbers, but a should not be equal to 0. Standard form of a quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then it will become a linear polynomial, है ना? So this is the standard form. And for cubic, the standard form is p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d can be any real numbers and a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, children, this part will go and we are left with it will become a quadratic polynomial. Okay, let us know about the general form of a polynomial. Okay, whenever we write a polynomial, we write the exponent in the descending order, children. Did you observe this? The exponent of the variable should be in descending order. Here the exponent is 3, here the exponent is 2, here the exponent is 1. Here it's a constant term, that means the exponent is 0. So the standard form is an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 to x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 into x to the power of n minus 2, so on, plus an minus 1, an minus 2, a1, a0. All this can be any real numbers. Okay, it's a polynomial with the degree n. So exponent of the variable decreases and at last we will get a constant term. So this is the general form of a polynomial. Which of the following is a polynomial? Children, x square by 2. So for x square by 2, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 1 by 2. Okay, it is coefficient is 1. The coefficient of x square is 1 by 2. Okay, now here minus 2 by x square. Now this can be written as x square by 2 minus 2 into this x square. If I bring it to the numerator, so we can write it as x to the power of minus 2. An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable is a whole number, but here what is it? It's a negative integer, hence this is not a polynomial. Let us see this. Root of 2x, that can be written as 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1, right? Now it has 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. So the variable is here x. What is its power? It is 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number, right? It's a fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Let us see this sum. X square. Now this is fine, x square. Let us solve this one. Okay. So 3x to the power of 3 by 2. Now this root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Yes, if we remove the radical symbol, we have to write, if we remove the root, it should be a whole power of 1 by 2. So it can be written as 3 times x to the power of 3 by 2. When bases are equal and it's a division, you have to subtract the exponents, right? So 3 by 2 minus, it will be 3 into x to the power of, these are like terms, so 2 is the LCM, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, so we will be getting 3x. What is the first term here? So we will finally get x square plus 3x, right? So this is a polynomial with the degree 2. Okay, the next question, x minus 1 by x plus 1. Children, maximum what can we do here? X minus 1 times x to the x plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. Okay, it's a negative integer, hence this is not a polynomial. So this is the correct option. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting questions, please subscribe to my channel.